In this week's episode of Weird Things That I Do, I was actually putting off putting in my Walmart grocery pickup order. Why? Because I just had this like weird thought or anxiety in my head that I was gonna forget something, because sometimes I feel like when I put in an online order, like I'm not walking through the store like I am at the store. So what if I forget something? Am I the only one that like thinks like this, or do any of you guys think that too? Well, I did overcome my fear, so I'm here today to share a grocery haul with you. I'm totally kidding about overcoming my fear, by the way. So let me share what I ordered for my family for this week for groceries, and I'm gonna share my meal plan with you as well. Let's go over the meal plan. So Sunday we had slow cooker chicken noodle soup. It was actually very, very good. And then I made some rolls with it, and then just kind of like some veggies and cheese and crackers and stuff on the side. Monday, buffalo chicken quesadillas, and then I also made an Instant Pot chicken and potatoes. So I kind of cooked two meals, but it was easy. So this past weekend I actually put a bunch of freezer meals together, and I made them both because I knew that Kira would not want the buffalo chicken quesadillas. And I knew that her and I would like the Greek chicken and potatoes. So I went ahead and made that up. Both of them were good. Adam and Connor ate the buffalo chicken quesadillas, and Kira and I ate the chicken and potatoes, and then I also made some green beans on the side and some fruit. Today is actually Tuesday, so we're gonna be having chicken tacos tonight, and then I'm gonna make some pinto beans, and then I'm also gonna make some Spanish rice. I will link the recipe that I use for Spanish rice down below. It's super easy, it's delicious. Wednesday, French dip sandwiches. So I have another freezer meal that I'm using. Honestly, it is really like helping me just get dinner on the table. This week, Connor started back up soccer practice. That was not correct grammar this week. So our nights are gonna be busy again, so that's very helpful. And then with the French dip sandwiches, I'm gonna make coleslaw and fries. And then on Thursday, we're gonna have hot turkey sandwiches. So basically just turkey and gravy. You put it over bread and mashed potatoes. It's like very carby, carby thing. And then I'll make broccoli on the side. And then Friday, we always have pizza. So a couple people have asked me, like, do I eat the same things as my family? Especially since I'm actively trying to losing weight right now. It just depends on what it is. Like a lot of times I'll just eat like a smaller portion of what they're having so it'll fit in with my calories. Sometimes if it doesn't end up fitting in with my calories, I will just eat like the protein and then make myself a big salad on the side. It just kind of depends on what it is. Stuff like tacos and things like that are super easy to make, kind of like lower calorie slash, I don't want to say diet friendly because I don't really consider it a diet, but it's super easy to make like a taco salad or a burrito bowl or something like that. So that's kind of how I handle that. Okay, so if you're wondering where these awesome glasses are from, they're actually from Warby Parker. Warby Parker is sponsoring today's video, so thank you to them. I've worked with them for so long here on my channel, and actually I even used them before I started working with them here on my channel. So I love their glasses. I love how easy it is. As a super busy person, which I'm sure most of you are super busy as well, Warby Parker is so easy to get your glasses from because you get home try on in the mail. You get 5 pairs of glasses to try out for free, and then if you decide to purchase, you pay just $95 a pair. The prescription lenses start at just $95 per pair, which is a fantastic deal. As someone who has worn glasses for probably 25 years, I know for sure that's a fantastic deal. So if you guys want to try out Warby Parker, make sure you get your free home try on. I'll have a link in the description box below. By the way, these glasses that I am wearing today are the Ava, if you're interested in them. I like them because they're kind of like a little bit old fashioned, but I like the gold rims as well. So you can go to warbyparker.com/Jen. Super easy to remember. I've had the same link forever. So I'll put that link in the description box. It will also be in a pinned comment. Order your free home try on. Get yourself an awesome pair of glasses, or get yourself five pairs of glasses like I have, because you know, you can never have too many glasses. Okay, so we'll start over here with the produce. I got some green grapes. My kids have really been liking those. They say they like the green grapes better because they're not as mushy. And they've also been liking the frozen grapes as well. So got those. I got some strawberries. These actually look really good. some bananas. We were almost out of those. And then I did get some mango. I just got the pre-cut mango because it's a little bit easier. Some tricolor coleslaw. I actually ordered the angel hair, but this was a substitution. I got this to make coleslaw with the French dip sandwiches. I just got this for myself for a quick lunch this week. This is the chopped salad kit bacon ranch crunch. I don't think I've ever had this one before, but I saw that it had jalapeno ranch dressing and I thought, oh, that sounds delicious, so I'll try that. This shredded lettuce is going to be for the chicken tacos tonight, so looking forward to that. I got some grape tomatoes. Connor really likes to snack on those, and then a cucumber for salads or just snacking. And then I also got some red bell peppers. Milo is very needy today because Murphy actually is having surgery. He's having some lipomas removed. I'm off work today, and so Milo is very confused about where his buddy is at. Where's your buddy? Are you sad? Oh, I think I said red bell peppers, but I meant red and yellow. And then I also got some tomatoes. I just like to have these on hand for sandwiches, and I use them a lot for salads as well. I already have some produce in the fridge. That's why I didn't really get much today. I got an order from, was it Imperfect Foods? Or no, Misfits Market this week. So I already had, I already have broccoli in here. I've got cilantro, a couple different kinds of lettuce. I've got celery, mushrooms, zucchini, some kale in there, green onions, another cucumber. So I've already got some of that on hand. Okay, and then I grabbed some sharp cheddar cheese. Kira likes to have this on her wraps, and she, yes, is no longer pescatarian anymore. I have no idea what's going on. I just work here. Okay. I got some center cut bacon. I thought that we could maybe have this for breakfast this weekend if we don't use it before then. Sometimes Connor will randomly ask me for bacon for breakfast also, which I normally don't cook bacon for breakfast during the week, but I don't know. In case I want to pre-cook some and then reheat it, maybe I'll do that. We'll see. I got some of the Mexican blend shredded cheese. I'm probably going to use some of this for the tacos tonight, and then maybe just the rest of it for salads or bowls. I really like this Butterball turkey sausage breakfast patties. You can have 2 patties for only 110 calories, and it's got 10 grams of protein. So I love combining these with pepper jack cheese, and I put them either on a bagel or an English muffin. Delicious. I got some of these omelet rounds. These are the Just Crack an Egg. They are, I think they're in the refrigerator section. These aren't necessarily my favorite, but I've been out of my frozen omelets and things like that, so I just kind of wanted to have something on hand for breakfast for myself. These mozzarella pearls is so funny. So Connor decided that he really likes these. Just randomly one time we were eating dinner and I put out a veggie plate and I put some of these mozzarella pearls on it, and I'm like, oh, we'll see who likes them or who will eat them. Well, Connor decided that he really likes them. So he asked if I would get some more of these. So I got some to put in his lunch throughout the week and just for snacks. And then I may make a caprese salad at some point, so we'll see. But either way, I've got a couple packs of those on hand. I got some of the Hillshire Farm turkey breast. Kira likes that. Some hot dogs just to have on hand. And then Connor has been loving the applesauce, so I got him some Go-Go Squeeze, some Fairlife chocolate milk, some buttermilk, and then I got a couple packs of the Dannon Light and Fit yogurt drinks. These are really good. I put them in the kids' lunches, and then sometimes I'll also drink them as well. They're 10 grams of protein and only 80 calories, so pretty good choice. I got some French onion dip just because we have some Ruffles in the pantry to use up, and then some more cottage cheese. I like to have that with my breakfast. My melted plastic butter spray. I made a joke about this one time and you guys thought it was funny, but I just like to keep this on hand because it obviously is lower calorie than slathering butter on your cooked broccoli or bagel or English muffin or whatever. You just put a couple of spritzes on there, and if it doesn't kill me, then something else will, I'm sure. I got some sharp cheddar cheese sticks. Kira really likes those, and then I also got her some turkey and cheese Lunchables for her lunches for the rest of the week. I got some of the rotisserie chicken. I'm planning on making some of the copycat Chick-fil-A cool wraps for some lunches this week, so that will be good for that. I got some of the pepperoni panino. These are just mozzarella cheese sticks with pepperoni wrapped around them. The kids really like those. Sometimes I'll put these in their lunches if I do like a bento box type lunch. They really like them. I got one bologna Lunchable, some turkey pepperoni. I got some feta in case I want to make some type of a Greek style pasta or lettuce salad. And then I also got some sliced mozzarella. I don't remember what I got this for. What did I get it for? Oh, I get it because sometimes Connor likes it on his sandwiches. So I don't know. We'll see about that. Okay. It's cheese. We'll eat cheese. We always eat cheese. I got some Philadelphia 1/3 less fat cream cheese. I really like having this on hand for different recipes. I was actually thinking of maybe trying to make some healthier pumpkin bars with cream cheese frosting. I don't know. It just like sounds good. I feel like I only made like pumpkin bars once this winter and I really like them. So we'll see about that. I got some butter because I was all out. Some corn. This is just frozen corn. I just like to have kind of a variety of frozen veggies in the freezer for sides for dinner if we need them. I really like these bagel thins. You know, they don't taste exactly like a real bagel, but I really like them for breakfast sandwiches. Or I also just use, like, sometimes I'll spread some like strawberry cream cheese on one of these for a bedtime snack. It's under 200 calories and it gives you that kind of like bagel and cream cheese feeling without all of the bread and calories. So that's kind of nice. I got 2 dozen eggs. We were almost all out of eggs. Eggs are coming down in price. These were, I want to say, less than $3 a dozen, which is crazy. It's crazy cheap compared to how much they have been. Oatmeal squares. These are the Quaker brown sugar oatmeal squares. Sugar. I haven't bought these in forever. I freaking love them. I don't know why they're like so delicious. They're just like super simple. I actually saw Nikki Gets Fit. I watch her here on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below if you guys aren't familiar with her. She posts a lot of good like weight loss and Weight Watchers content, but she was making snack mixes and she had this and she mixed it with like some popcorn and some goldfish and I was like, oh my gosh, that looks so good. So I grabbed some of those. I actually ate some as a little bit of a snack this morning. I also got some Triscuits. I like to keep these on hand. I was all out of them. I've been getting the reduced fat just because I don't find that they taste that much different and they're a little lower in calories. I got some honey wheat bread and then some artisanal bread just for sandwiches and toast and whatever we need it for. I got some of the sugar-free blue raspberry Jell-O. And then I didn't even realize they had like huge cans of Rotel like this. It's kind of funny because I just saw like the good thing about Walmart actually is that they the app kind of learns like what you buy every week and then it just like prompts you to buy that stuff. And I was like, oh, I don't have any Rotel on hand, so I'll just get a can of that. Well, they must have been out of the smaller cans and they substituted this larger one. But like I said, I didn't even know they made huge cans of Rotel like that, but here we go. Now we have a big can of Rotel. I got 2 cans of tomato soup just to have on hand for grilled cheese if we want them. Some chili with beans. I don't know. This is the kind of stuff I'll keep on hand, like chili and hot dogs and stuff like that, just for quick lunches on the weekend. I got some tomato sauce. I think I need this for the Spanish rice recipe. Some soy sauce just to have a backup in the pantry. Ranch. Gotta have ranch from the valley, as Connor says. Okay, so opinion. This is my favorite salsa, like my favorite grocery store salsa ever. It's the Tostitos medium restaurant style salsa. It's so good. I mean, as a connoisseur of chips and salsa, I have to say this is really good salsa. Do you know if the Great Value medium restaurant style compares? I'm gonna taste test these, so I have to let you guys know. They look different in color. The Tostitos definitely looks brighter, but we'll see. This one is like $2 less. So if it's an acceptable substitute, you know, you could save a lot of money there on my chips and salsa. I got some of the Amy's cheese enchiladas. I just like having stuff like this on hand in case I am super busy and I don't have time to put together a lunch. I got some rolls. These are for the French dip sandwiches that we're gonna have. And then I thought I would try these blue corn tortilla chips with my salsa. I don't think I've had these before. They look good, so got those. Some fries for when we have the French dips. And then I got some chips for the kids' lunches. Some waffle fries. I had it in my head that I was gonna make some of these in the air fryer with my copycat Chick-fil-A Cool Wrap, so we'll see. We'll see how that goes. And then Kira really likes pita pockets. In fact, she likes tuna salad in a pita pocket, which is very odd and specific, but okay. So I got those for her. It's actually funny because I had these, I don't even know why I had these pita pockets on hand. And then one day she was like, can you make me a tuna sandwich? And I was like, I don't have any bread, but I have pita pockets. And I made her the tuna salad in the pita pocket. Milo, you're being loud. And she was like, this is the best thing ever. So there we go. Okay. I got some Kashi protein waffles. So these are super convenient just for the kids for breakfast. Well, Kira doesn't really eat breakfast, but Connor does. I like that they have a little bit of protein in them, so it helps keep them full, especially in the mornings when they're off to school. And I will combine this with the American Dream nut butter, which also has extra protein in it. I got some plain Tostitos scoops. We have the prerequisite of just always having chips and salsa on hand as a snack option. So got those to keep in the pantry. I was actually looking for the Smart Sweets cola gummies. So if you guys haven't tried those, they're actually really good, but they didn't have them, so I got these instead. These are the peach rings. And then these are the lavash, the Joseph's lavash wraps that I use for the Chick-fil-A copycat cool wraps. They also make really good like pinwheels if you spread like cream cheese mixture on them, roll them up and cut them into pinwheels, or they also make a pretty acceptable pizza crust as well. They're kind of flimsy, but you know, in the name of saving calories on pizza, those are good. I got some rawhides for the dogs, and then I saw this in the Walmart app. It is a keratin infusion color care conditioner. Kira's hair is dyed like a magenta color, and she always like struggles with like split ends and stuff because her hair's long. So I got her this to try. I didn't realize that I got a bigger bottle of shampoo than I did conditioner, but that's what happens when you shop online. I got some diet soda, diet orange Sunkist, Dr. Pepper, diet Pepsi. I got some paper plates because we have been out of those for a little while. I am profusely sorry if you are a member of the Paper Plate Hate Club. They do meet on Thursdays at 4 p.m. and they love to wash dishes. I got some loofahs for, who did I get these for? I think I got them for Connor. He needs a new one in his shower, so I got him that. Some Roaring Waters Capri Sun for the kids' lunches. I also got Connor some Old Spice body wash. I really have been liking the Gain Power Blast dish soap. Once you buy the spray bottle, you can just buy the refill, which is kind of nice. And then I also got some lens wipes. We always keep these on hand for everyone here that wears glasses, which is everyone except Connor. So that is what I got from the grocery store this week. All right, well, I hope you guys are having a good week so far. Don't forget to check out Warby Parker with the old glasses. Get your free home try on. If you want to see how I actually put together 10 freezer meals, I'll have a video right here on the screen, so check that out next. Bye.